Some students just have a knack for a subject, true or false. In this case, we're talking about organic chemistry, but you could apply that to everything. Oh, he's naturally talented. She's a natural mathematician. But what does that even mean? Uh, when we say things like that, we kind of put ourselves in this. Well, what if I'm not naturally talented? True story. I wasn't naturally gifted as an organic chemistry student. I struggled mightily on my first two exams. So this statement I might have believed was true as a student, kind of keeping with the theme of how we're answering these questions. But in hindsight, it's false, right? It's going to depend on how hard you work, right? Put in the effort, you'll get there. Will it come easier to some students? Of course. There's no question about that. Some different things come easier to others. There are things in my life that if I wanted to be good, I had to work and work and work and work. There were other things that I kind of just picked this one up a little bit more naturally, and I'm sure you've had similar experiences for yourself. If you work, if you put in the effort, and if you do it the right way, focus on problem solving, connecting concepts, etc., you can get this. You will get this.